Good morning, students. Let us discuss with the last concept in the chapter alcohols and phenols, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of phenols. So, in this, the first one, what we have to discuss is nitration reaction. So, in this nitration reaction, we know that addition of nitro group. So, when addition of nitro group takes place, that particular type of a reaction is called as an nitration reaction. So this addition of nitro group to phenol can take place under two different conditions. So the first one is when phenol is subjected to reaction by using dilute nitric acid by maintaining a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. This is the first condition. And the second condition is by using concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So first one, when phenol is made to react with dilute nitric acid at 20 degrees Celsius, we get two different substituents of phenol. That is, one is called as orthonitrophenol. This is known as orthonitrophenol, and along with this orthonitrophenol, we get one more substituted product of phenol, that is paranitrophenol. So along with orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, so this is paranitrophenol. Along with orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, we get water as the byproduct. Suppose if it is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid in the presence of an concentrated nitric acid and in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, here we get tri-substituted derivative of phenol, that is 2, 4, 6, means all three position. This is the second position, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. All three positions, that is 2, 4th as well as 6th position, will be substituted by nitro group, and this compound is called as what? Picric acid, or it can also be called as 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, which is also regarded as picric acid. Along with this, the byproduct will be what? Water molecule. So this is the a chemical reaction of nitration with reference to phenol. So when phenol is subjected to nitration, we can expect two different products at two different conditions. One by using dilute nitric acid by maintaining a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, we get orthonitrophenol along with paranitrophenol. And when concentrated nitric acid, when it is made to react with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid, we get 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol along with the formation of water molecule. So after discussing the first one, the second one is called as halogenation reaction. So the second one is halogenation reaction. In this halogenation, we have to discuss a particular reaction called as bromination reaction. So when phenol is subjected to bromination under two different conditions. The first condition is by using bromine water. So bromine water in the sense bromine molecule in the presence of water. This is known as bromine water. So this entire combination is called as what? Bromine water. When phenol is made to react with bromine water, we get a tribromo substituent of phenol, that is the second position, fourth position and the sixth position is substituted by bromo group, which is known as 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. Along with this 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol, the byproduct will be HBr. So this is the first reaction condition when phenol is subjected to bromination. In the same way, there is one more bromination reaction of phenol. So when phenol is made to react with bromine in the presence of an organic solvent called as carbon disulfide solution, that is CS2, by maintaining a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, we are going to get a ortho substituted bromophenol. Along with this, we are going to get a para substituted bromophenol. Means orthobromophenol and parabromophenols are obtained along with the formation of HBr. So these particular products are obtained when phenol is subjected to bromination in the presence of what? Carbon disulfide solution. So this is the major difference of bromination by using bromine water or by using bromine in the presence of carbon disulfide solution. So this is the balanced chemical equation when phenol is subjected to halogenation reaction in that particularly bromination. So after this, let us discuss with one more chemical reaction of phenol, which is called as Friedel-Crafts methylation reaction. So the next one, that is the third one, is Friedel-Crafts methylation. Friedel-Crafts methylation reaction. So when it comes to Friedel-Crafts methylation reaction, so here methyl chloride is added in the presence of what? Anhydrous aluminum chloride, or you can also use ferric chloride, where they act as what? They act as a halogen carrier, so that when phenol is made to react with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, which acts as an halogen carrier, so we get, that is phenol as it is. Phenol is subjected at ortho position by a methyl group. This is called as orthocresol, or you can also call it as what? 2-methyl phenol, which is always a minor product. Along with this, we get one more particular product where the methyl group is substituted at para position, which is called as paracresol, and this paracresol will be the major product along with the formation of 2HCl, which is regarded as an byproduct. So always remember, when you write a chemical reaction, when two different ortho and para substituted products are obtained, always the para substituted products will be major, because the steric factor or the repulsion factor between the two opposite groups will be very minimum, whereas in this case the steric factor will be very maximum due to the closeness of the groups. Hence always ortho substituted products will be the minor products and the para substituted products will be the major products. So this is the third reaction, which is called as Friedel-Crafts methylation reaction. So after this Friedel-Crafts methylation reaction, let us discuss with very important named reaction, which is called as Kolb's, Kolbes, Kolb's reaction. This can also be called as carboxylation reaction. So both are same. You can call it as Kolb's reaction, or else you can also call it as carboxylation reaction. So why the reaction is called as carboxylation reaction means, we introduce COOH group during the course of a chemical reaction. Hence, the reaction itself is called as carboxylation reaction. So, when we discuss with this carboxylation reaction, in this carboxylation reaction, the major reactant is again phenol. This phenol is made to react with NaOH, where it ionizes as Na plus and OH minus. Since we know that phenol ionizes to form phenate ion, where this hydrogen gets eliminated as a proton, so that water molecule gets eliminated. When water molecule gets eliminated, we form or we get a product called as sodium phenate, which is also called as sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenate is made to react with carbon dioxide by maintaining a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius and at a pressure of 6 to 7 atmospheres. So when this condition is maintained, now this reaction is quite interesting now. Check here. Here there will be always an hydrogen. So here what happens? This COO, which will be added to sodium phenate, this COO will drag away Na to form COONA, and here there is a formation of which group? That is OH group. This particular product which is obtained is called as sodium salicylate. So in this sodium salicylate, now I have to eliminate what? Sodium. so that it is made to react with what? HCl. When it is made to react with HCl, since we know that chloro is a very good leaving group, this chloro will take away what? Na plus, so that Na and Cl gets eliminated as NaCl. Along with this NaCl, here you are going to get a product called as salicylic acid, and this particular product which is obtained is called as salicylic acid, or it can also be called as, since carboxylic acid will get the first priority, this becomes the second position, this becomes the first position, hence I can also call it as 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, or else you can also call it as salicylic acid. So this particular reaction is called as Kolb's reaction. So many times in the board it has been asked as 2 marks question, and even this question has appeared for competitive also.